While hunting or shooting, it's really important to have a rifle scope with you. Over the years, the rifle scopes have gone through a lot of innovations, and now they can maximize your shooting accuracy and the ability to fire shots from a good distance to make your hunting and shooting successful. There are a lot of rifle scopes on the market with different optics and range. And to help you choose the perfect rifle scope for you, we have listed the top 7 best rifle scopes for hunting and shooting that you must see before going out and buy. ATN Optics is a market-leading manufacturer and developer of 4K resolution digital smart optics for day and night operation. Their optics are perfect for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts. Now meet the ATN X-Sight II HD, a powerful rifle scope that increases the chance of your hunting. It comes with an 85mm objective lens with 5 to 20 times magnification and has a range of up to 1000 yards with night vision that allows you to focus on objects that are far away even at night. Equipped with ATN L130 sensor, it records 1080p videos at 30 frames per second and transmits on your smartphone app via its Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity. Also equipped with multiple sensors, including GPS, e-compass, gyroscope, and many more, this rifle scope records your hunting performance. It comes in a black anodized aluminum housing, which makes it durable and lightweight. This rifle scope is also waterproof so that you can use it even in wet conditions. The ATN X-Sight II HD combines technology with powerful optics to make your hunting a success. Bushnell has been the industry leader in the high-performance sports optics for more than 65 years. Now meet their Elite Tactical XRS-2 rifle scope, a high-performance rifle scope that is used by top hunters across the world. It comes with 50mm objective lens with 4 to 30 times magnification and has more than 75 yards of range so that you can lock on far objects with precision. This rifle scope comes with multi-coated lenses that enhance the color accuracy and lets you have a crystal clear view of what you need to see. It comes in an aluminum waterproof construction that allows you to use it without any worry, even in heavy rainy days. The Elite Tactical XRS-2 rifle scope reflects Bushnell's years of dedication and passion and can be your perfect hunting gadget. With excellent knowledge in various fields of optics gained during 170 years of experience in research and innovation, Zeiss keeps on producing best quality equipment for outdoor lovers. Now meet the Conquest V6 rifle scope. It comes with a 50mm objective lens with 6 times super zoom and 100 yards of range that allows you to focus on subjects that are far away for better accuracy. This rifle scope has multi-coated lenses with anti-reflection coating. that increases color accuracy and provides a crystal clear view in front of you. This rifle scope comes in a 30mm diameter main tube with aluminum robust construction. Its internal construction is nitrogen filled, which makes it fog proof and comes with 400 megabar waterproof rating. Harness a lifetime of the legendary optical craftsmanship, engineering and mechanical precision with the Zeiss 30x50 Conquest V6 rifle scope. Leupold has been producing great quality optics for outdoor enthusiasts with great passion and accuracy. Now meet their Mark 6 rifle scope that combines powerful optics with technology to make you successful in any hunting. It has multi-coated high-precision scratch-resistant lenses in its 34mm main tube so that you can always have a clear sight at your subject while hunting. This rifle scope's reticle magnifies along with the image, so you can estimate range at all magnification settings for better accuracy. It comes with Twilight Max HD light management system that adds up to 30 minutes of shooting for best-in-class glare reduction and edge-to-edge HD lens clarity. It comes in a nitrogen-purged waterproof construction, which makes it 100% water and fog-proof to ensure you always have a clear sight in any weather condition. The Leupold Mark is a powerful rifle scope that can improve your hunting skills and achieve your goal. You need to see the world clearly. This is exactly what drives Vortex to design and produce rugged binoculars, spotting scopes, and rifle scopes for the most demanding outdoorsmen. Now meet the Vortex Razor HD AMG, a high-performance rifle scope that lets you lock on subjects with precision. It comes with a 50mm objective lens with 6 to 24 times magnification and has 100 yards of range that allows you to have excellent view at your object for accurate hunting. It is packed solid with long-range features like locking turrets, integrated L-Tech zero stop and an integrated locking illumination dial and many more to increase your chances in hunting. It is specially designed with its 30mm tube to aid in weight reduction. The 30mm tube offers a sleeker profile top of any rifle without significant compromise in field of view. It comes with multi-coated optics in a nitrogen-purged waterproof construction that allows you to have smooth operation in any weather condition. The Vortex Razor HD AMG can increase your chances of success in hunting with its great specs and features. Nightforce is a leading manufacturer and marketer of premium sport optics and related products, including rifle scopes, spotting scopes, and many more. Now meet the NightForce NXS Series, a powerful rifle scope that combines great quality optics with technology to make you successful in hunting. It comes with 56mm objective lens with 22 times magnification and has a range of 100 years that lets you lock on far-away objects with minimum distortion. Equipped with powerful long-range features, including analog illumination, this rifle scope is sure to deliver excellent performance. With a 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum body, it comes in a nitrogen-perched waterproof construction that allows you to use it with confidence even in wet conditions. The NightForce NXS Series is exactly what pro hunters want and is sure to deliver optimum performance in every situation. A perfect rifle scope can greatly increase your chances of being successful on any hunting. For this reason, you should have the Swarovski Optics Z8i rifle scope with you always. You can focus on faraway objects with its 28x magnification and have clear view at your subject for optimum performance. Equipped with powerful lenses, this scope provides you uninterrupted view of up to 1000 years and have the maximum coverage without hassle. Made for outdoors, this rifle scope is built super rugged and keeps its internal elements in a gas-filled chamber, which makes it water and fog-proof for optimum performance. The Swarovski Optics Z8i rifle scope can be your perfect companion on your hunting trip. So that's all about the 7 best rifle scopes for outdoor. Like, share and comment your thoughts below if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.